Hello students, we already studied the choice of problem of the individual demand and obtained the demand curve of the consumer. We know that in the market there are many consumers. It is very important to find out the market demand for good. Then what is market demand? Market demand means the market demand for a good at particular price is the total demand of all the consumers taken together is called market demand. Means it is the total or sum of individual demand. To understand a market demand, we will explain it with the help of an example. Let us assume that there are two consumers in the market for good. They are A and B consumer. Here, the individual demand schedules are given in the following table. If we observe the table, we will come to know there are the demand schedule of the A consumer and demand schedule of the B consumer are given. If we remember the law of demand, then we will come to know there is a inverse relationship between the price of commodity and quantity demanded. Means if the price of commodity increases, then the demand for good decreases, means the demand for good become less. Now to begin with, let us focus first two columns. Here in this column, if the price of commodity increases from rupees 4 to rupees 8, then the demand for commodity decreases from 12 units to 4 units. See here, if the price of commodity increases from rupees 4 to rupees 8, then demand for the commodity decreases from 12 units to 4 units. This is the individual demand schedule of the A consumer. Now the same thing is applicable for the consumer B also. Means see here, if the price of commodity increases, means if the price of commodity increases from rupees 4 to rupees 8, then the demand for the good decreases from 16 units to 8 units. Now the summation of all this become a market demand. See here, now the summation of all these become a market demand. Means market demand means it is a sum total of the consumption of the individual demand. See here, the market demand means it is the sum of total consumption of the individual demand is the market demand. Now let us compare the first column to the last column. Here we will come to know in the first column, if the price of commodity increases, means from 4 rupees to 8 rupees, then the demand for commodity decreases from 12 units to 4 units. Likewise, in the market demand column also, if the price of commodity increases from rupees 4 to rupees 8. Then the market demand for the good decreases from 28 units to 12 units. Means here the total consumption of the goods and services decreases in the market also. So now let us represent the market demand concept in graphical format. See here there are the three diagrams are here. First diagram is the demand of the A consumer. Second diagram is the demand of the B consumer. And third diagram is the market demand. In this diagram, on the OX axis, we represents the demand of the A consumer, and on the OY axis we represent the price of the commodity. Here the market demand curve of good can be derived from the individual demand curves. How? By adding up the individual demand curves horizontally. See here, students, if we observe this diagram, here we get a line. This line we call the demand curve. If the market demand curve of good can be derived from the individual demand curves by adding up the individual demand curves horizontally. In the same way, we can add up two individual demand equations to get the market demand equation. See here, by adding these two curves, we will get the market demand curve. Likewise, if we can adding up the individual demand, then we will get the market demand. See here, as per A demand equation, when the price of commodity is 0, then demand will be 20 units. So it is the maximum limit function of the A's demand. So here the quantity demanded is equal to 20 minus 2p. It is the demand equation of the A consumer. Similarly, when the price is 0, the demand will be 24 units. See here, when the price is 0, the demand will be 24 unit. Means here quantity demanded is equal to 24 minus 2p. It is the B's demand equation. Students, by adding these two equations, see here, by adding these two equations means the quantity demanded is equal to 20 minus 2p plus 24 minus 2p. Adding these two equations, we will get the demand equation. See here. At the price 0, the demand function demand equation of the A is 20 minus 2p. At the price 0, the demand equation of the B consumer is 24 minus 2p. Means adding these two equations, we will get the market demand equation. See here, the quantity demand is equal to 44 minus 4p. Means this method of adding these two curves is called the horizontal summation. Means adding these two curves means the individual demand curves, we will get the market demand curve. Means students, if we observe the slope of these demand curves, we will come to know the slope of the demand curve is negatively sloping. Why? Because there is a inverse relationship between price and the demand of the commodity. Means if the price of commodity increases, the demand for the commodity decreases. Then students, what we understood here? Here, the law of demand applicable for individual demand and individual demand applicable the market demand also. So the market demand curve also goes by the law of demand. Means the slope of the market demand curve also the negative. So students, this is all about the market demand. Thank you.